Okay, in today's tutorial, I'll be giving you an introductory class into Facebook targeting, and I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about Facebook targeting. But before I go into, and also I'll also be giving you at least five Facebook targeting options you can use in your fashion business, in your food business. I'm going to mention as many businesses as possible, but I'll use fashion and food for today's class. But before I go into the, let me take you into the basics of Facebook targeting and the apps you need to have and download on your phone before you even start running ads. And then before I go into the Facebook targeting topics, the first app you need to download, go to your Play Store and then search for Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite. This is it. You can see it's already installed on my phone. You open it, you log into your account where all the pages linked to your account is going to be displayed. It helps me, you can see it helps you to show data and the results from your previous ad. The last ad I ran was in December 30 on this page was in December 30th to 31st. I just did a 1 day ad. I was testing out an ad option. You can see it had 784 reach and 9 messaging conversations and the money spent to bring each the money spent to the cost per messaging for conversation starter was about 148 naira. And also, okay, the first one, the cost per messaging is 188 naira for that 1 day. Then this one was for 2 days below. It had 311 reach, 5 messaging conversation started, and 148 naira per messaging conversation started. So you need to have this app on your phone. You also need to have Meta ad on your phone. You also need to have Meta ads on your phone. So go to Play Store and search for Meta Ad Manager. To have Meta Ad Manager, you can see I'm trying to update it here. If you've not installed it, it's going to show you install. Then you install it on your phone. Those are the two apps you need to have for you to get started with Facebook ads and targeting. Okay, I think I should also do a little tutorial on I don't want the video to be very long, but because it's just an introductory class. So now if you want to run ad, I'll just do a little tutorial on how to run set up your ad campaign and then we'll talk more on targeting as we go on. So if you want to run, let me go to the video. This is the video I was showing you the data on. I can tap, you tap on boost again. If you've not run it before, okay, go to the one that I've not run before. You tap on boost. So let's say I want to boost this ad. I think actually won't do it if let's say boost again. But if you've not run before to show you boost post, I think I'm going to run an ad for you so that I'll show you the whole process. So you search on you tap on boost again. When you search, tap on boost again, it's going to load. You can see this is the ad preview. This is how it's going to show to your customers. This is how it's going to show to the people that you have targeted that ad to. This is the preview. This is how it's going to look like to people who you have targeted. Now, the next on that ad is the goal. What is the ad goal? Do you want Facebook? Do you want to be automatic, which says let Facebook select the most relevant goal based on the button label and other setting you choose. Then do you want to get more messages? Do you want to get more views? You have to choose. But me, normally, I like to get more messages because if you're using it to make sales, then get more messages is the right one to tap on. For now, I'm talking about for sales, for businesses, for food vendors and fashion design. So then it will show you what apps you want to receive. You don't want to be on Messenger, don't want to be on Instagram, don't want to be on WhatsApp. I'm going to remove it from Instagram and I'll leave it only at WhatsApp. I want my customers, my leads to it's called leads, my leads to message me on WhatsApp. After that, I go down. Now this is the ad targeting I use for my academy. Let me show it to you. So if you run your own ad academy, if you run your own course, if you're a course creator, you run your own you teach courses online and you want to target people, this is the one I use that has been working for me. You can say because I'm targeting business people, so I added online shopping as a targeting option, fashion accessories, I'm targeting fashion businesses, then small business owners. Then Facebook payment users. Always add Facebook payment users because this helps you to target people who have made a purchase from Facebook in the last 30 days. You can add that 30 days or 90 days. Then business page admin. Targeting business page admin shows that you're also targeting businesses. So Facebook will target the page admins of every business page that is in relation to these other targeting options that you've chosen. The next one is engage shoppers. Always add it to your targeting option because Facebook shows it to people who are regular buyers, people who normally click on ad and make purchases from that ad. And then food and restaurants. I'm also targeting food and restaurant businesses because I want them to come and enroll into my academy. So these are the target options I use for my academy. I'm just showing you this. Now imagine how to run ad for as a fashion brand, which is the purpose of this video. I'm just running you through all of this, which is the purpose of this video. I'll tap on create new. I'll tap on create new. And if you want me to, I think in the part two of this video, in the next video I'm going to have, I will show you how I set up the ad campaign properly for my own ad, how I set up the ad campaign properly for my own ad, and how I fund the ad accounts and all of that. I'm going to show you that in the next video. But for now, I'm talking strictly on Facebook targeting. So the next thing now, you want to name the ad. The essence of naming the ad is so that you can easily identify the ad. So let me say I can call it food ad campaign, so that anytime I want to run a food ad campaign, we are going to I don't want to leave it very long, so I think I should just focus on food ad campaign. Then the next one I'll focus on fashion ad campaign, so that we're going to talk extensively on it. Now, food ad campaign. Now, the next question is, if now the essence of this advantage audience here is so that Facebook, you can see it's always that Facebook will allow our ad technology to automatically improve your audience by expanding beyond suggested criteria. So you can see Facebook is going to this advantage audience. You turning it on is you telling Facebook that they should show your ad to people who are interested in food campaigns that you may not have added in your ad campaign. So it's also very important. But if you want Facebook to be strict, if you want people to just strictly follow the targeting options you've used, then you can turn it off. But I also say that you should turn it on so that it will help improve your ad conversion. The next question is the age. You're running a food business. What is when you say you sell shawarma or you have a local restaurant? So the next question is you should ask yourself, what is the economic power? What age of people can buy my food business? What age of people from 18 buy my food business, or from people from 20 buy my food business? But in order to not to make it very broad, I think if you're targeting the working class, because okay, let me say you want a restaurant business and you want to be selling food, targeting those who are working online, who are employed, you want to target them. Most 18-year-olds are still in school, so I don't think targeting them is going to be nice. So you can reduce it to 25. Targeting those of 18 may be really wasting money because they are students and not working class people. And then you can reduce it to 45. You narrowing down the age so that reduce you can make the ad convert better, and so that you don't use a broad audience that may confuse the algorithm or may reduce the success of the ad. So it always just better you work with a simpler and smaller target audience or target age range. So the next thing you want to do is you want to target location. Let's use Port Harcourt as a location, but you can always search for any location. You can search for Aba, you can search for Aba, you can search for Abia State or target Abia State. Abia State. You can see Aba Abia State. You can choose it, but I'm using you can target even Lagos State. Lagos State. You can target Abuja. But for now, I'm using Port Harcourt for this ad. I'm using Port Harcourt. The next thing is the interest, very, very important. So now, this is where I give you the target options for a food vendor. You can also use it for any other business, but just to tweak it a little, you can tweak it and use it for any other business you do. Now, if you're a food vendor, always add these four target interest before you add your niche or add food business and the rest. Always add these four target options. Always add shoppers, engaged shoppers marked. Add Facebook payment users. You can see 30 and 90 days. Use 30 days. Use Facebook payment user. Let me search it again. Sorry. The first thing we searched was let it load, was engage shoppers. Engage shoppers market. Then tap Facebook payment users. 30 days is always shorter one to use. Then tap the next thing is page admins, Facebook page admins, and then business page admins. Always add these four targeting options when you're running ad, irrespective of the industry you are in. Then the next thing you want to do is to add food and restaurants so that it relates to food business, food and restaurants, you tap on it. And also weddings, people who are, when you're targeting weddings, so that you can reach out to people who are currently planning weddings, or to wedding planners so that they can hire you. So wedding plan, those who are planning weddings, those who are scrolling through Facebook because they're planning a wedding, who you're trying to reach, and if you add them, you can land a customer from them. Then I think with these payment options as a food vendor, you'll be able to get people. Next thing is to save this target option. Next is to save this target option and then you ask yourself, next thing is the gender. Do you want to run out to directly for male customers or female customers? This is when maybe you're having a gender based business. Maybe it's hair business. Hair business is mostly ladies that patronize hair business. So when I talk on that, I will explain briefly in my next video. I'm trying not to make this video very, very long. This is a raw Facebook ad targeting class. If you follow me a lot on this channel. So this is it. Then if it is all gender, you tap on all and then you save this target audience. You save this target audience. You can see this is on the entire target. This is all my target audience samples. These are all my right now. Let's say we're running ad for this one, but these are all my target audience. These are the ones I use for my clients. You can see, and I'll be creating more so that I can use them to teach you. All right, I'm going to stop here. In my next video, I will do a more comprehensive video on how to set up the ad campaign, how to fund the ad campaign. That's the only thing I did not discuss in this video. So I'll talk on how to fund your ad campaign, and I'll also talk on how on fashion business. If you want to run ad for fashion business, this is for food business. I've taught you how to run ad for food business. I wanted to use these ad campaign combinations that I've done to run your next ad. See how it goes, see how it works, and drop your reviews in the comment section. Tell me how this target option that I just showed you helped you get customers. Thank you. See you in the next video.